Goat.
Hi, it's CeCe. Hi. Look, it's a goat. Goat. Would you like to learn about goats? Okay, come on, let's go.
Goats. Goats. Happy, silly goats.
Can you say goat? Goat. Goat.
Goats love to climb. This is a mountain goat. It can climb really high. Goats like to jump. 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 These goats are running. Whoa! Whoa! Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Goats like to eat grass, leaves, and bushes. Nom, 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 nom. Munch, 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 munching on grass. Nom, 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 nom. A baby goat is called a kid. Wait, what? A kid? I know that word. I'm a kid too. This baby kid goat is drinking milk from a bottle. Goats like to cuddle and they love getting hugs. Aw, a goat hug. A group goat hug. A goat kiss.
Who wants to hug a goat? Me. I do.
Hey, someone find me a goat. Would you like to hug a goat? This baby goat is being rocked to sleep. Night, night, Billy Goat. Rock-a-bye, Billy Goat on the treetop. Night, night, Billy Goat.
This goat has horns. This goat does not have horns. Hey goat, do you have horns? Yes, you do have horns. Horns. Horns.
Goats headbutt when they play. I just said butt.
Bah! I'm pretending to be a goat. These are my goat ears and my horns. That's silly. Goats can be really silly and funny. Would you like to see some silly goats?
Yes.
I think this goat is laughing. Ha ha. These goats are sticking their tongues out. That's silly. Can you stick your tongue out like a goat? Is this goat singing? Hey, goats don't play guitars. Well, maybe they do. These goats climb up trees to get their favorite fruit.
Hey, this goat is friends with a pig. I wonder how they met. Hey guys, let's get a picture.
How did that goat get on the roof? Hey, goat, why are you standing on a horse? There's a chicken on the goat's back. Did you fly up there, chicken? Goats sure are funny animals. Hey, goats, it's me, CeCe. Hey, what are you looking at, goat?